Hi all, my name is Kathy Naik, and in this presentation we are going to explore dataset which shows a simple two-node network. So in this dataset, it has attendance of 18 Southern women at 14 social events. Now let's go through the code. First, we imported the necessary libraries, including matplotlib, biplot for visualizations, and networkx for working with graphs. The NX Davis Southern Woman graph function creates a bipartite graph representing the social network of Southern women involved in social events. The graph has two sets of nodes. First is women and other is clubs. The set of women and clubs are extracted from the graph using g.graph top and g.graph bottom respectively. Then in our code, we have by adjacency matrix. Yeah, by adjacency matrix of bipartite graph using bipartite by adjacency matrix. This matrix represents the relationship between women and clubs, indicating which women are members of which clubs. Moving forward in our code, then we performed projections of bipartite graph onto the set of woman nodes, and two projections are done. Where in our first projection, it creates a new graph W that represents connections between women based on shared club membership. It calculates the degree of each woman in this projected graph using W.degree, which counts the number of connections each woman has. The second projection creates a weighted projected graph W that represents connection between women based on the number of shared club memberships. It calculates a weighted degree of each woman in this projected graph using W.degree, which counts the total number of shared club membership. Then we can see that the degree of women in both projections, indicating the number of friends and the number of friend meetings for each woman. Finally, we create a visualization representation of the original bipartite graph using nx.draw. The visualization helps to analyze the relationship between women and clubs in the social network. Now let's see what is bi-adjacency matrix. The bi-adjacency matrix represents the relationship between women and social events and or clubs. Each woman in the is associated with one or more social events. The matrix helps to visualize the membership patterns and identifies which women are connected to specific social clubs. Now let's see. Friends and member in what it indicates. It displays the number of friends each woman has within the network. And we can see that Evelyn, Anderson, and Ruth and Sylvia have the highest number of friends with 17 connections each. Charlotte, Olivia, and Flora Price have the fewest number of friends with only 11 or 12 connections. Now talking about friend meetings member. Yeah. Here it shows that the number of shared club membership for each woman. And we can see that Evelyn Jefferson has the highest number of friend meetings, indicating that she participates in multiple social events with other women. Laura Anderson, Brenda, and Sylvia also have a significant number of friends meeting. Flora Price, Olivia, Dorothy have the fewest friends meetings, suggesting they have relatively fewer interactions through the shared club membership. Overall, the analysis of the output suggests that some women have the higher level of social engagement within the network, Evelyn Jefferson emerges as a central figure, having a large number of friends and participating in numerous club membership. On the other hand, Charlotte, Olivia, and Flora seems to have relatively fewer connections and engagement within the network. This information can be further analyzed to explore the social dynamics, cliques, and influential individuals within the Davis Southern Women Network. Coming to our final part, and coming to our final part, basically, what are our analysis? So we can see that the first subplot titled Projection of Women, it visualizes the projected graph W, which represents the connection between women based on shared club membership. Each woman is represented as a node in the graph, and an edge represents two nodes indicates that the corresponding women share at least one club membership. The graph is visualized with light blue nodes and gray edges. With respect to the second subplot titled Weighted Projection of Women, it visualizes that the weighted projected graph W, and this graph takes into account the number of shared club membership between women as the edge weights. The node side represents weighted degree of each woman, which is calculated based on the total number of shared club membership. Larger nodes indicates women with a larger number of shared membership, reflecting stronger ties or closer relationship within the network. The edge width represents the weight of the connection, indicating the frequency or intensity of shared club membership between women. And this brings to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much.